Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 application programming interface, or API, testing tools that are essential for ensuring the reliability and performance of your APIs. Whether you're working with representational state transfer or REST or GraphQL APIs, having the right tools can make all the difference. First on our list is Postman. Postman is the most popular API development and testing platform available. It features a user-friendly graphical user interface, automated testing capabilities, and great team collaboration features. Here's a sample request. It shows a GET request to API/users/123. The headers include authorization with a bearer token and content type as application/JSON. The response shows user details like ID, name, and email. Next up, we have Insomnia. It is a clean and intuitive REST client that also supports GraphQL. It offers a minimal, distraction-free user interface, environment variables support, and strong GraphQL capabilities. Let's look at an example GraphQL query. The query retrieves a user by ID, including their name, email, and posts with title and content. Our third tool is Thunder Client. This is a lightweight Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, extension for API testing. Its features include seamless integration with VS Code, a zero configuration setup, and the ability to import and export collections. Consider the following post request example. It shows a post request to API/products with content type as application/JSON. The request body includes product details like name, price, category, and in-stock status. The status confirms that it returns 201 created. The fourth tool on our list is Rest Assured. Rest Assured is a Java-based library specifically designed for automated API testing. It utilizes a behavior-driven development, or BDD, style syntax, seamlessly integrates with the Java ecosystem, and provides powerful assertion capabilities. Here is an example of Java test code. This code creates a GET request to the user with the specified ID, and then check for status code and name. Our final tool is Newman. Newman is a command line runner for Postman collections. It is designed to be run from the command line and is often used in continuous integration and continuous delivery, or CI/CD pipelines. Key features include CI/CD pipeline integration, automated test execution, and multiple output formats. Here are some example command line interface or CLI commands. This demonstrates installing Newman globally using npm, running a collection, and running a collection with environment and reporters. Let's compare key features across these tools. Postman and Thunder Client offer the most user-friendly interfaces. Rest Assured and Newman excel in automated testing scenarios. Insomnia and Postman provide excellent GraphQL capabilities. Choosing the right tool depends on your specific needs. For beginners and teams, Postman is great because of its comprehensive features and collaborative environment. For developers focusing on CI/CD, use Newman or Rest Assured for automated testing pipelines. Each tool has its strengths, so choose based on your workflow, team size, and automation requirements. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.